Hello, my name is Slavika Bogdanov. I am a life coach, a motivational, inspirational speaker, and also a published author. I have 2 bestsellers and also 25 other books, mostly regarding self-development, finances, law of attraction, laws of success. I invite you to go check out my new book coming out called From Bankrupt to Wealthy. It's basically a part of my life story where I went from completely broke, bankrupt, to now a life of wealth and a financial achievement that basically really exceeds my expectations. So I'm close to reaching a status of a millionaire, but I went from nothing, from really broke, from really bad situation, and build my wealth really quickly and established also a business that is working really well. I want to teach you how you can do it, how you can go from nowhere or nothing and really create money, know the laws that surround success, and how you can also achieve your goal to financial freedom, financial independence, and wealth building. Anybody can do it? Yes. There are certain principles, laws of success that you need to follow in order to conquer your fears and conquer your negative ideas and the blockages that prevent you from reaching your financial goals. So I've created this book to help you out and basically reach your goal. So I invite you on the website's page that's listed below so that you can go and purchase that book, which is now pre-sold at only $20. By getting the book, you will also get $350 worth of value because you will receive a 12-week webinar program on financial wealth building, but also on how to get out of debt, how to become financially free, how to understand the laws that surround money, the secret that people don't want you to know on how you can get out of debt, how you can create wealth for yourself and for your loved ones. So please go check out my book, buy it, and get yourself 12-week that will change your life. And please share this video so more people can benefit from this. Thank you very much.